Ready to launch your podcast into the world, but unsure if Buzzsprout is the right launchpad for you. Let's dive into whether Buzzsprout perfectly aligns with your podcasting goals. First up, let's look at the features Buzzsprout offers. Buzzsprout is all about ease of use. Their platform is designed with a beginner-friendly interface. You can upload your audio files and distribute your podcast to major platforms like Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts with just a few clicks. Think of features like podcast website creation, automatic episode optimization, and episode transcription included in its plans as well. Now, let's not sugarcoat it. There's the question of money. Buzzsprout has different tiers, from free plans to paid ones. Free plans give you a limited amount of upload time. The price increases as you need more upload time and extras, and also offers advanced features like dynamic ad insertion and audio restoration. Consider your budget and whether you anticipate needing the advanced features for your needs. Next, think about your end game. If you want a smooth, user-friendly experience and are looking to get started quickly, then Buzzsprout is a good choice. However, if you want complete control and advanced analytics, other platforms could be for you. Hopefully, this breakdown will help you make the right decision for your podcast. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.